Now you will learn how you can make money on the OTC market very fast with BoosterBot. I will tell you completely how this robot is structured and how it analyzes the OTC market. So I will proceed now. For example, I choose the currency pair Australian and Canadian dollars. I want to make money on this asset. Then I go to BoosterBot, activate this bot. BoosterBot tells me that all markets are closed and suggests me to trade on OTC. This market is available on weekends when all major markets are asleep, and it is also available at night, especially on the European market when we have major financial institutions asleep. That's why we operate in the OTC market. I choose Australian and Canadian dollars. The time to trade is 1 minute. I get a sell signal with a percentage on a successful trade of 68 to 72. And right from here, I open a sell trade. What are these same percentages responsible for? Because the whole OTC market is made up of patterns. And for example, we could see here was one pattern, there's a second pattern, and now there's a third pattern coming in. And the more confident this pattern is, the more confident BoosterBot will be in it, the more percentages it will give you on the trade. There is also a reversal percentage. That's the probability that the price could turn around and go the other way. As you can see, the percentages here are not too high, but not too low either. They are optimal. You can confidently enter such trades. Next, I will show you how these patterns change and how you can identify them yourself. The first trade brings me $2,300, and just look at what a powerful movement the price has gone through during all this time. And it was only 70% on the success of the trade. In the OTC market, you can observe candle breaks. These will be just the glues of the chart. Here, for example, is the first one, here's the second one, here's the third, and then there's the fourth. Where the price will have a gap between two candlesticks. When there is such a void between candlesticks, this is a new pattern. Where do they come from? Since this is an intra-exchange market, the broker needs to take quotes, and for example, it can be a chart from last month or even last year. They take a small piece and as a result they cut it into the current reel under the current price. That is why the price can sometimes differ and there can be such candlestick gaps. But BoosterBot knows very well how to analyze all these patterns and how to read them, and therefore it has more than 90% positive profitability in the OTC market of positive trades. The Euro-Swiss franc is turning on a new pattern, so I will ask BoosterBot where the price will go on the Euro-Swiss franc. I pick a 1 minute trade and I get a buy signal with a sure percentage of 70 to 71. And I open my buy trade right from there. As you can see, the percentages here are quite small for a price reversal, so this trade should potentially be safe. A new pattern has just turned on and BoosterBot has seen it and is analyzing where the price will go next. You can learn how to identify these patterns yourself, but it will take a very long time. By the time you find the current pattern that is currently on, most likely it will have passed by then and you will not be able to open your trade. Literally, at the last moment a trade closes at 1 point minus. Most likely I opened my trade very early or I was a little bit in a hurry. It happens, there is no need to get upset about it, just the next trade I will open for $3,000. As you can see, still the interest on the reversal was not zero, maybe because of this deal closed in the minus, but I will try to cover my minus now. I will choose again, for example, the Euro-Swiss franc, here is the same pattern, I choose this currency pair, and the time for the trade, I choose again 1 minute. I now get a sell signal with small percentages of success and large percentages of reversal, so I will skip this trade now. I am not satisfied with these percentages, both for potential profit and potential reversal, so I choose another currency pair. British pound Japanese yen looks great. I select this currency pair in the bot and again the trade time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal with excellent interest and I open my buy trade right from there. What is the best time to work on the OTC market? I advise all newbies to work on either M1 or M3. 5 minutes is too long for such a volatile market. Here the market can go up literally in 1 minute by a very large distance, and then in the second minute it can go down in the same way. As you can see, there's already a price movement of as much as 800 pips. So it's a very volatile market for a 5 minute for a trade. There is also one more trick which works on the regular market. It is a 5-second candle. The next trade I will open exactly according to this trick on a new 5-second candle. 170 points and 2,600 bucks of profit, overlapping my minus, and the next deal I will open again for $3,000. I'll choose the British pound Japanese yen again. I like this currency pair, and again the time for the deal is 1 minute. And I get a sell signal, great percentages but very high percentages for reversal. Let's take a chance, wait for a new 5-second candle and open a sell trade on the new candlestick. Yes, I'm taking a risk now because I'm getting a very high reversal rate, but I'm going to trust the booster bot because there's a new pattern that's been triggered recently. You can see it in this void in the candlesticks. If you look at the regular financial market, you will not find such gaps on the chart, but on the cliff market it is a normal practice. A great second trade brings me another 2,600 bucks, and as you can see on the cliff market, you can make money very easily with a booster bot. You just need to open trades on new 5-second candlesticks and choose the right time to trade, 1 minute or 3 minutes. It's very easy, but pay attention to the percentages. If you don't like the percentages, if you don't like 60% or 40% on the probability of reversal, then just skip this signal. The signals are free and they are unlimited. So you are not limited and you do not need to open every second deal, which is given by the booster bot. It is your assistant who analyzes for you, and accordingly he advises you to open a deal now or not. But you make the decision yourself. Also, I will remind you that this is a completely free robot, which is available right now at the link in the description. And in the Telegram channel of the booster bot, our team shares the best currency pairs. Well, and also the best life hacks that help our community to earn. If you still have any questions, the link to the support account will be waiting for you in the description. That's all for today. See you soon.